This is my Craftsman utility sharpener. You can get these pretty inexpensive at Sears. And I have to tell you, it's a light duty thing. I use it a lot to sharpen kitchen knives and pocket knives. Or one of my favorite things to sharpen with these are these spade mitts. It does a real nice job sharpening spade mitts. You know, they're small sharpening tasks. Now, usually when I'll put my mitt on there, and that puts a nice bevel on that. And then I'll flip it around to the other side, get that nice bevel. And then I'll touch them up with a sharpening stone. And when you're done, that's pretty sharp. And then on here, I'll touch these up, the edges a little bit. So I use this all the time to sharpen these spade mitts. It's very handy for that. Knives, any small sharpening job, you can use this. So I'm really happy with it. I don't have it on the job or anything. I keep it at home. And when little sharpening links come up, I use it. So the Craftsman utility sharpener, let's turn it on, show you how it goes. It runs through a pool of water. And what I like to do is put my statement on there. Sharpen it, flip it over, sharpen it some more. I also use it to sharpen these a little bit. So it does a nice job with that. If you just want to buy one to do spade mitts, that's fine. So I also have used this to sharpen planes, a wood plane. I've used it for that. Chisels, it does a pretty good job on chisels. So, but like I said, light duty. If you need to sharpen the chisel up a little bit, this will do fine. If it's a chisel, it needs a lot of work, you might have to run it on a grinder first. And it has 2 speeds, forward and reverse. And there you have it. I kind of like this tool. I recommend buying it for all your light duty sharpening. For me, chisels and planes and spade mitts, that's where I get my use out of it. And I have used it a lot.